Hey, you see this guy? Yeah, that guy right there with the beard. That's me. Or at least that was me 5 years ago, right before I quit my job, moved halfway around the world with my wife, and within 1 year was making six figures per year, writing an email or blog post per day. So, just to give you some context here, my name is Brandon Story, and for the past 5.5 years, I've been a six-figure copywriter that allows me to work in just 3-4 hours a day, live anywhere, and be able to spend more time with my wife and kids. So, why am I talking to you right now? Because if you're in the same situation, if you're this guy right here, that was me in the past. If you're working dead end job to dead end job, you're stuck in the rat race, you're working 40 plus hours a week, and you're trying to wonder, like, is there another way to live? Is there a way I can have more free time, more autonomy, be my own boss, make some more money, and also just have a little more control back in your life? Let me tell you, it's definitely possible. I've been doing this for 5.5 years. And in that time, I have learned how to write emails, write blog posts called copywriting, and be able to make a few $100s a day, only writing for a few hours per day. And I'm not the only one who's able to do this. Chase, one of my students, he landed 2 clients in his first month, and within 2.5 months was able to quit his 9-to-5 job. Maya, 19-year-old girl, she was able to land her first client 5 days into my program, and she got 3 clients in just the first month. Jite, he landed his first client in just 18 days for a $600 email copy project. $600 within 18 days. Here they are. There's Chase, there's Maya, there's Jite. If you click the link below, you'll be able to watch their testimonials and see what they have to say about this. But how do they do it? So they did it with a simple, foolproof system to earn $100,000 per year from your laptop. It's called the 4-phase fast lane to $100,000. And there are 4 modules in it. So the first phase is phase 1, master copywriting. You need to know how to write copy in order to make money with copywriting. So this is the course. I'm going to show you what copywriting is, how to do power writing sessions, get the books, and start writing. And I'm actually going to do a live walkthrough. I will write the copy with you. You'll watch and see how I write it so you can know exactly how to write copy that is worth thousands of dollars every month. Next up, you're going to learn how to land clients. And no, you're not going to have to spam hundreds of cold emails a day or hop on aggressive sales calls. We're actually going to do something called the Sniper Bomb Outreach System, which is my unique warm DM outreach system that has gotten 70% of my students their first paid client in 1 month. Next, you're going to learn how to manage clients. So once you land your first client, what do you do now? How do you invoice? How do you onboard them? How do you do research? How do you kick off a project? How do you make sure you get paid? And how do you over-deliver for them? In phase 4, we're going to learn how to scale to 6 figures. So once you land the first client, finish the project up, now what? How do you create a case study? How do you turn one client into a repeat client? How do you get referrals, reviews, and build your business up, scaling and negotiating all along the way to 6 figures per year? And here's some of the results from my students. This is Chase. He got a retainer for $1,500 a month for an email project. Maya, just the other day, she got another client. That was her 3rd client within a month. Clint, he is gonna just about to hit $5,000 to $6,000 a month. This one is Jite. This is his first client. He got for 460 pounds, 600 US, $750. This was Jesse. There you go. That's how you do it. I'm going to teach you exactly step by step how to make 6 figures per year writing copy. I'll tell you what copy is, how to write it, why business owners will pay you thousands of dollars a month for it. And I'm going to throw in a couple juicy bonuses, but this course enrollment closes tomorrow. So November 1st at 11:59 p.m. Do not miss this. If you're looking for a way to make money online, if you want a way to be able to, stay at home, work from a coffee shop, or write halfway around the world and make money from your laptop, copywriting is the quickest and easiest way to do it. Click the link below and discover the 3 to 6 month blueprint to your first $5,000 a month as a freelance copywriter. Get started today.